engineering at its finest. Experience the thrill of watching these mechanical behemoths perform incredible feats. From precision felling to gravity-defying maneuvers, it's a showcase of human ingenuity. Let's get this show on the road. I know what you're thinking. This doesn't look good. But trust me, there's a method to the madness. Our logger's got this all figured out. He's gonna make it look easy. Well, this situation shows that trees always have hidden dangers, and if we underestimate them, something bad is sure to happen. Let's talk about the Komatsu 931 XC&C 144 harvester head. This duo is all about getting the job done right. With a robust 255 horsepower Agio power engine, it's got the power you need. The 180-degree rotating cab and crane, that's about comfort and control for the operator. And the C144 head, it's designed to handle tough conditions, boost your output, and keep your trees healthy. Simply put, it's a win-win for productivity and sustainability. This Premier Attachments root auger is a game changer, folks. It's user-friendly, efficient, and safe. Say goodbye to the headaches of traditional stump removal and hello to a cleaner, quieter, and more cost-effective solution. Geez, they look like a real pro tree care team. Hopefully they don't screw anything up.
Keep no, just go all the way with it. Keep going, faster. Go! Oh shit! Go!
There it goes. It did it.
What did it hit?
Everything. Oh no. I don't know if I got it all.
Okay, folks, gather round. We've got a real nail-biter for you today. It's the Battle of the Titans, the clash of the chainsaw champs, the STIHL MS661 versus the MS500i. These bad boys are revving up to tackle a monster log, and only one can be crowned king of the cut. Man, that's a tough climb. You can almost feel the strain on that Mac R600. But hey, that's what that D5 tractor is there for, to lend a hand. It's all about working together to get the job done, right? Let's talk about the Hockey Pilka 38 PRO. This machine is all about making your life easier. The Hockey Cut system, it's like having an extra pair of hands. Need to split some tough logs? No problem. This bad boy has 10 tons of splitting force, and with the AC10 system, you can say goodbye to messy chain adjustments. It's all about smooth, efficient operation. Judging by the results, I'd say I'll never hire them. They are totally reckless. Peterson took their legendary 5710C, ripped out the guts, and crammed in a beastly 1,050 horsepower Cat Tier 4 I-engine. This 5710D chews through the toughest material like it's nothing. They kept all the best bits, like that sweet optional towing dolly, gotta love easy transport, and slapped on a seriously smart Icon operating system. Oh, and did I mention it's remote controlled? Talk about operator comfort. Well, this is the reason why you should leave specific jobs to the experts. In a world of sleek tech and automation, there's something raw and impressive about those massive log trucks conquering the terrain. It's a reminder of the power of human grit and ingenuity. This 1947 Ford 2N, wow, a testament to American engineering. Notice the solid construction, ideal for stump pulling. That flathead engine, simple yet powerful, delivers consistent torque. Proper chain placement is key, folks. Safety first. And with the right technique, that stump won't stand a chance.
It's like the river all over again.
Well, a familiar saying, the cameraman never dies. You want power, you want efficiency, you want control? The Petzolato, PTH1300/1500M, delivers on all fronts. Its 1150 horsepower Caterpillar engine gives you the raw power to conquer any wood chipping challenge. Imagine the satisfaction of producing up to 400 cubic meters of perfect chips per hour. And with the radio remote control, you're in complete command. Wow, check out this ingenious contraption. This DIY wood splitter is a testament to human ingenuity. With a powerful 3 kilovolt motor running at 1500 revolutions per minute, coupled with a 1 to 32 gearbox, it generates incredible torque. The 320mm and 85mm pulleys further amplify the force, making it capable of splitting even the toughest logs. And the fact that it operates on a standard 220-volt network makes it incredibly practical.
Czy słuchaje?
Moments before disaster. The potential tension within each tree is a dangerous factor that you need to be aware of and anticipate before cutting a tree. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Witness the awe-inspiring power of this colossal 56-inch circular saw. Even after 50 years of service, its resilience and capability remain unmatched. Watch as it effortlessly slices through a massive 14-foot-long, 33-inch diameter cottonwood tree, a testament to its enduring legacy. Three minutes. That's all it takes for a lifetime of growth to meet the ground. It's a humbling reminder of our place in the world. Respect for the tree, respect for the lumberjack skill. That's what this video is about. Ever dreamed of turning logs into firewood with the flick of a switch? The Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processor is here to make your dreams a reality. This 125 horsepower electric beast effortlessly slices through logs, leaving you with perfectly sized firewood in no time. Anyone in forestry knows, speed isn't the only factor. The Awi RT 800 Raptor's strength lies in its sustainable approach. Mulching those stumps back into the earth? That's how you build a healthy forest for generations to come. There's a saying, do not cut the branch you're sitting on. I think it applies to sitting on a tree trunk too. Luckily, this guy is okay. The Cat 323 is more than just a machine. It's a powerhouse that delivers the performance of a seasoned veteran. With its robust digging arm and 172 horsepower Cat C 7.1 engine, it effortlessly conquers even the toughest excavation tasks, tearing through stubborn roots and stumps like they're nothing. This excavator is built to last, ensuring optimal productivity and minimal downtime on any job site. Sure, the old-timers will spin a yarn about white-knuckle drives through mountain passes, but ask them what they really miss, and it's the simple stuff. The rumble of a cab over, the smell of diesel and pine needles on a hot summer day, watching the windrows turn in the fields. Those are the memories that stick with them, long after they are hung up your keys. The RSL UK 16-inch Mark II. Tree shear is a game-changer in forestry equipment. Its powerful grip and precise cutting action offer unparalleled control, even when dealing with the toughest hardwoods. With full 360-degree rotation and the ability to operate at lower pressures, this shear maximizes efficiency without sacrificing power. Built to last with high-quality components, it's an investment that will pay off for years to come. This video underscores the vital importance of proper safety equipment and vigilance when felling trees. The consequences could have been unthinkable without that helmet. Can we talk about how awesome that operator was? Seriously, nerves of steel. And that skidder? Beast mode. It's like, give a skilled person the right tools and they can conquer anything. The felling of such a colossal tree necessitates a high degree of expertise and meticulous calculation. From the ascent to the pruning and the clearing, each phase is laden with potential hazards. Finally, the giant was conquered. The Jobo WP50. Woodpecker is a revelation for small-scale forestry operations. It's a versatile powerhouse that handles both delimbing and firewood production with ease. Plus, its low oil consumption makes it a perfect match for older tractors, giving them a new lease on life. Efficiency, versatility, and sustainability. The Jobo WP50 Woodpecker has it all. I've spent decades in this industry, and the TWF 180 is the most formidable mulcher I've ever encountered. It's engineered like a fortress, operates flawlessly, and yields results that leave clients beaming. Sure, at $36,000, it's an investment, but considering the time and labor it conserves, it's a strategic decision. Witness it conquer that stubborn stump, and you'll grasp its true value. There's a certain beauty in watching raw logs being processed into lumber. The scale and efficiency of these operations are a testament to years of refinement in the industry. It's a reminder of how far we've come in terms of technology and resource management. Gisborne, strategically located on New Zealand's North Island, presents an ideal opportunity for afforestation initiatives. Its favorable climate fosters rapid tree growth, while its moderately sloped terrain facilitates efficient planting and harvesting operations. The region's well-established forestry infrastructure and proximity to a world-class port further enhance its suitability for timber export. Introducing the Scania R770V8, a truck that redefines the limits of size and efficiency. Stretching an impressive 34 meters, this vehicle is longer than a blue whale and boasts a gross weight of 98 tons. Designed specifically for the wood chip transport industry, it reduces transport frequency by 30%, providing a significant boost to the Södertälje power plant's operations. Wow, this machine is blowing my mind. It's so fast and precise, I can't believe it's real. The way the blades move is mesmerizing. I'm so impressed. If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for our next extreme adventure. Remember, the world of logging is full of surprises, and we're here to bring them right to your screen.
खाना शाना अच्छा, तो गाइस खाना शाना हमने प्लेट में डाल दिया और अभी हम खाते हैं। फिर आप लोगों को भी टेस्ट करके बताते हैं किस तरह का टेस्ट है इसका, क्योंकि मैं फर्स्ट टाइम आया हूँ इस कौन सा नाम क्या है, डेरा रेस्टोरेंट है इसका नाम। प्रमोशन नहीं करनी भाई हमने फ्री में, अगर तो खाना फ्री में देंगे तो प्रमोशन होगी, अदरवाइज नहीं। माशाल्लाह शेख साहब भी लव यू कर रहे हैं।
कुछ ना करिए
यहाँ पे लव यू, और मैं भी करवाने लगा हूँ लव यू भाई से, शेख साहब से लव यू करवाने लगा हूँ। शेख साहब करिए क्या यार लव यू, तफसीलन लव यू करना शेख साहब आपने। बस करो शेख साहब, बहुत हो गया लव यू, मैं कहीं और से करवा लूँगा बाकी। अच्छा जी, राइस वगैरह खा लिए, अब हमने रोटी छोटी खाते हैं, रोटी छोटी मंडते हैं और आप लोग अभी दिखाते हैं। अच्छा जी, तो रोटी छोटी खाते हैं। अब ये आ गई हमारे पास रोटी और ये आ गई बोटी। क्या बड़ा सिस्टम चल रहा है भाई। सही आ रहे हैं जगह
बगैर अपनी आप तक रखो,
सही आ रहे हैं, देखियो जरा। मजेदार
मिला ही
फ्री का खाना हो ना, मजेदार।